about to go into Tompkins Square Bagels, which was recommended by a lot of places. And we haven't had bagels yet, have we? Excited?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. We've got our bagels being made. So we ordered our bagels. Flori's just waiting for them to pick up. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm very excited. We bought 4 bagels to try, so I'm very, very looking forward to it. I'm actually quite hungry.
Oh, what? An open sesame bagel? It's actually open.
Oh wow! Oh my god, it's huge, Flori.
I know.
Oh my god. Does this how many is this? 3, 4?
There's 1 and 3 here.
Oh my gosh! All right, okay. And we're gonna start with savory, right?
Yeah, let's start with the breakfast one.
Okay. Oh my god, guys, we have got a lot of bagels.
They're quite big as well.
Okay, we didn't realize they're that big. But, oh wow!
Oh, wow.
It's very different to what I imagined. Do we have tissues?
No.
Just look at that. Yeah. Okay, it's got quite a lot of salmon in there, right?
I don't think I have to grab the bread. This is quite messy, guys.
Ooh. Exactly messy.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to wash it.
Very salty.
Oh wow.
The bagel itself is very delicious though.
That's what I was gonna say. Sesame?
Yeah.
Sesame bagel, really good.
I honestly think it would need some sauce in here, don't I?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You need something there. Right, next one.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, okay, that's looking a bit more juicier. Looks very good.
And poppy seed bagel. Looks really good.
Whoa, definitely get over the top here. Oh, look at that. So it's definitely got a lot more things in there. Definitely generous. We've managed to cut it as much as we can. Alright, let's try this. It's gonna be messy.
This is massive. I wish I could fit it in my mouth. Quite good though.
Now we're talking. Oh my god.
It's good.
See what I mean? It's juicy.
Very good. Definitely recommend this one.
Definitely recommend it. I don't know about the first one.
Yeah.
I wasn't impressed, you know. Okay, number 3.
Very interesting.
Whoa, very strong.
Oh my god.
No. I don't like onions, so I might have to pick them out.
That's fine. I'll have them.
Okay. So this is how they look. Was it? Do you remember what it's like smoked fish and stuff, right?
Yeah, so smoked white fish and smoked salmon. Yeah, I put my onions in.
I picked my onions out. Oh, no, I got it on my cheese. This is definitely not an easy one to eat.
It's nice though.
Oh, I like that. I like this one. But we have to say it's quite a messy process of eating bagels, I guess.
Quite tasty, yeah.
There. Ah! It's fine, it's more me. More onions in our trousers. Alright, well, cheers. Cheers. I'm trying the fish one.
The other fish one.
It's so sweet. It is sweet. Is that horseradish? Was that with horseradish?
Must be, right?
Oh, it's definitely sweet.
So I didn't expect. It should be horseradish with cheese.
It's a weird combination of a sweet fish. What is that? Just like...
Yeah, very interesting bagel overall.
You know what? It works actually, doesn't it?
I think it does. It's definitely different. So I'm glad we went for this one.
Yeah, Flora saw that one, and I was like, okay, we're trying it. It sounds weird.
Why not?
Getting really full.
Yeah.
We're ready to conquer, right?
Yeah. The last one.
The last one. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly time.
Yes. Looking forward to this.
So this is the cinnamon and raisin bun.
Okay.
Looks like a giant croissant. What the hell? Did we lose something?
We lost some
Bit of
jelly.
jelly. With jelly's
Ooh,
jam.
it smells nice.
Ta-da.
Oh, it smells lovely.
Look on your teeth.
Got jelly on my teeth. Lovely.
Bagel's really nice, isn't it?
I'm
That
enjoying
is
this
so
one.
nice.
Better than I remembered actually. Because I've tried one before.
That is so good. I just think this one was the best one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Flora, I know why you like it. It's got Nutella in there as well.
I haven't even gone to the Nutella bit.
I haven't either. I don't have much jelly though. I'm gonna have to. Oh no! Are you joking? Do you want to show what the hell just happened here? I've got a bagel on my bloody jeans.
Yep, there you go.
Oh no! This. Oh man.
We've done this the entire time.
Oh no, that looks really bad. It looks really bad. But it tastes absolutely amazing. The peanut butter cream cheese,
Oh my god.
so yummy. Very, doesn't feel heavy actually, which is weird.
No, it doesn't. The thing I finished this one. Oh my god. Look.
Yeah, I should have done. I loved it too, and now
Shit. I keep losing my jelly on the tissue I put on my legs.
I'm in bagel coma right now. Wow, the city is incredible. Look at that. I also just want to show you, there's the Statue of Freedom over there. It's really far away, but you can actually see it a little bit. So beautiful. Just got our giant pizza. It so smells amazing. Look at that. Just look at this. We decided to try like the crazy flavor. Because as always, we don't like to be, standard. So, oh my god.
Look at cheesy.
Oh my god, I love that. Right, I think I'm gonna see if it's too hot to have a bite. I kind of really want to try it. That's really good. Oh my god. Bacon is like crunchy and salty, and then the cheese is like, I don't know which cheese that is, I can't remember. Oh my god. It smells amazing.
Thank god.
Wow, it's actually really big.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, it smells so good.
Try get it with the bacon, yeah, because then kind of get the whole flavor. Because I missed it the first time. It's a bit hot.
Oh my god. Wow.
It's very different, isn't it?
It's very salty.
I know.
The bacon, but
Yeah.
so good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh. We're gonna enjoy this, guys, now. Bon appetit. Working that pizza with a nightly walk over the bridge, Brooklyn Bridge. Look at just how beautiful it is. I definitely recommend doing that because it's amazing. Food adventure continues. I'm going to Katz Delicatessen. This place has been recommended so many times, so I think I should go and check it out. Well, there's definitely no queue this time, as you can see, so I'm gonna check what I want. It's very big, there's literally no queue. Last time we came here we couldn't get in. So I am getting a pastrami sandwich, very expensive. I hope it will be amazing. Wow, this is the famous thing. Oh yes, 1 second. So this is absolutely huge. Look at that. It's one giant sandwich and pickles. I'm gonna try. Oh, so it's literally just got pastrami in there and bread. Very interesting, very different. Okay, time to try this. It's very huge, so I don't know how it's gonna fit in. That's good. It's very meaty.
Wow. Very good.
So I'm really struggling with the sandwich now. It's a lot of meat. I'm not eating the bread. I've had a little bit of there. Now I'm just literally picking pastrami and eating it like that. I think it's very overpriced. Obviously you get a lot of meat, but for $24, that's crazy. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below as well which country you'd want me to explore next. We haven't actually done London food hauls. And I know London has a lot of food places as well. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, leave the comment down below which country I should do next. And if I'm ever gonna go there, I'll definitely ask for your advice as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye.